Number 11. Jimmy John hits a golf ball and the quadratic function f of x equals negative 8x squared plus 56x gives the height of the golf ball after x seconds. How long will it take for the golf ball to return to the ground? When it hits the ground, it's going to be a 0, isn't it? So we're going to replace the as f of x with 0 and then write down negative 8x squared plus 56x. There's two ways we could do it. We could factor it, or we could use a quadratic equation. We could factor it, or we could use a quadratic equation. I'm going to factor it. And both of these have 8, so I'm going to factor the GCF out. We could divide by negative 8, and they both have x, don't they? Okay, so 0 is equal to negative 8x, parentheses, negative 8 divided by negative 8 is 1. X squared divided by x is x. And then 56 divided by negative 8 would be a negative. 56 divided by 8 would be 7, and the x's eliminate. Now then, I know that 0 is equal to negative 8x, or 0 is equal to x minus 7. So negative 8x could equal to 0, or x minus 7 could equal to 0. And on this one, if you divide by negative 8, you get x equals 0. That's when he hits the ball, isn't it? He hits the ball at 0 seconds. And then over here, we're going to add x equals 7. It takes 7 seconds for the ground to hit the ball. So that right there is going to be when the ground hits the ball, or hits the ground, right? So at 0 seconds, he hits the ball. At 7 seconds, the ball hits the ground. Okay, so the parabola, if you had to draw it, this would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, at 7, the parabola would look like this, wouldn't it? At zeros would be at 0, and at 7, wouldn't it?